Today's problem, longest subarray with at most 2 distinct integers. Why is that highlighted? Difficulty medium. So we were given an array consisting of positive integers. Task is to find the length of the longest subarray that contains at most 2 distinct integers. All right. It's very similar to the last problem that we did, which was to find substrings of length k with k minus 1 distinct characters. So that was a sliding window problem. This is also a sliding window problem, but it's not a fixed window length like the previous one was. So we're going to need 2 pointers as well. Example, well, this whole array just contains 2 distinct integers, so the longest subarray would be 3. This one has 3 distinct integers, so really if we just, well, I mean, the longest subarray is this one, followed by the 4 2s. Longest subarray is 5. Array size can be up to 10 to the 5th, 100,000. Elements in the array can be up to 10 to the 5th, also 100,000. Expected complexity, it is linear. We're just going to run a sliding window down the array. Topic tags. Okay, the important ones are sliding window and 2-pointer algorithm. So, let's see. We do with this. All right, so we'll initialize some variables. Max length initially 0. The left-hand pointer initially 0. We're going to define our map here. The integer key will be the integers appearing in the current subarray. Integer here, the value will be a count of how often they appear in the current subarray. So let's see. Now then the right-hand pointer, we'll also start that at 0, and we're going to run that the length of the array. And every time we move the right pointer, we're going to add the number. We're going to add the number to the map or update the frequency of the element. Increment the. Is that visible here? Oh gosh, let me see if I can move that over a little bit so we can see it. Yeah, there it is. Or increment the number. All right. If the map size exceeds 2, now we've got too many distinct elements in the array, so we've got to start taking some out. So we go now to the left-hand pointer and decrement the number of times that the element pointed to by the left-hand pointer appears in the subarray. We decrement it. We got to shrink the window. Now, if we decrement it and it goes to 0, we'll just remove it from the map completely, and we will increment the left-hand pointer, thus shrinking the window. Max length. Yeah, we can update max length. We don't really need to keep a running count of the size of the subarray because we can always calculate it via this computation here. Right pointer, right index minus left index plus 1. If that's bigger than anything we've seen so far, then we will set max length to the new max. Let me, oh, you know what? I did this one way and then changed it. So let's fix a couple things here that I see are wrong. This is nums. Yeah, I didn't call it nums. Nums is actually array, not nums. good. Nums. Let's do a quick sanity check on this, see if it'll compile. Map is still in there on line 10. Wait. Oh, there it is, nums, line 10, nums. Okay, get rid of it. All right, that seemed to work. So, run this and see what happens. Keep going. Okay. So yeah, it's a sliding window with 2 pointers, very much like the previous sliding window problem. And that's it. Like the video, subscribe. You'll get a problem of the day in your inbox every day, every weekday. I try to post these every weekday. And that's it. See you next time.